once we go to the Google Analytic page, just click on Start Measuring. We create our new account name. For time being, I'll give a name, Test Shop, and we're gonna leave it as it is. Click Next. We're gonna give property name. Property name again, we're gonna give us a I will give my name, so, and hyphen shop, that's the property. So we're gonna reporting for Australia, and we'll select Melbourne as the time over here. Our currency is AUD. Remember to choose this correctly when you sign up, because later on it's hard to get these things changed, and we need to otherwise create a new property in Google Analytics. So we click on Show Advanced Options. So we don't need the Universal Analytic property, so we'll leave it as it is. We'll click Next. So we select just small and measure customer engagement and create. So we sign up for, we sign the terms and condition, and we accept that. So once it's done, we skip this for time being, and we're gonna add a new website in this our control panel. So this is basically Google Analytics control panel, and here we can add our websites, Android apps or iOS apps. So for now we're going to add a website. So we click on web, and over the domain we're gonna click, we enter our domain. So over here I have installed a WordPress shop which is on the directory level under the shop folder. So we're gonna add this folder in the analytic, not the full domain. So we're going to add the subdomain as well in this URL. So we give name my shop, so we have given the name. So we're gonna create a stream over here. Come under the global site tag, and we're gonna copy this tag over here. So we copied this one. So we go to our WordPress dashboard, and over here we got few approach to add this tag in our head tag of our website. So to do that, we can either go to our appearance and theme editor, and we can edit the current theme and put the tag in under the head tag. But over here we're going to use a more easier approach. We're going to install a plugin. So go to install plugins, we're going to add new plugin. So we're going to search for header and footer. So this is the plugin, insert headers and footers core. So we're going to install this one. So we're going to install this one. So we're going to activate. Soon as we activate this plugin, it's going to show over here under settings, insert header and footer. So we need to insert the copied code in our header section. So we're going to paste the code over here, and we're going to save that, and we will visit our front end of our website. So as soon as we visit here and we check back, we go to the home report section. It's loading, and real time. Should show our stats. Here we go. We got one visit on home page of my shop. and that means our real-time monitoring have been started, and we have installed our Google Analytic code successfully. So remember, this approach is basically to install Google Analytic code in our website rather than using Tag Manager, which is very easy and more I could say more advanced approach. So if you are a beginner, this approach is alright. Otherwise, go for Google Tag Manager, where you can add multiple tags like a Facebook Pixel, Google Analytic, or Google AdWords. So I hope you understand how to install Google Analytic code, and thank you very much for that.